Hello, I'm Lincoln Lapp. I'm 13 years old, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make these Amish crafted saunas. Step 1, we're going to lay out all the pieces in the order they need to be. Now that we have it all laid out, I'm going to start assembling the pieces. Here's how I got these tall panels into the floor. There are floor grooves right here, and all the panels fit inside, and once they're inside, they latch on with a hook. We're going to put the roof on before we put the fourth door panel on. Here's the towel bar, and we're going to put it in at the same time we do the fourth and final panel. Right here are the slots for the towel bar, right there and right here. Now that all four panels are up, we're going to pull the roof over the top. Our last step is inserting the light box from the inside of the sauna. Secure with the wooden turn knobs. This is an example of true Amish craftsmanship, a handcrafted sauna. This whole thing only took me 20 minutes, so go get yours off of Amish Co. today. This thing is so easy to make, I didn't even need my tools.